Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing you how to unlock the door on a Samsung SmartThings oven. And the reason this thing will lock is if you bump the incorrect button while you're cleaning, wiping down the front of this, the control panel, you might lock it by accident. You're going to see two icons, which I'll show you in a moment, that are kind of confusing to you. Now what this is a safety feature. It's a child lock, all right? Once you lock this, you can't do anything else with the oven. The door stays locked, and until you deactivate it, the door will remain locked and you can't use the oven at all right? So enough talking from me. Let's turn this camera around, take a look at the range real quick in the locked position, and I'll show you how to get it out of there, and then I'll show you how to lock it yourself in the event you want to do that in the future, all right? Okay, so here's the control panel to the Samsung SmartThings oven, and you've just been called down here by someone in your household saying, we can't open the door. And sure enough, it is locked. Someone was cleaning, they said. Who knows what was going on, but they pushed something, they heard a beep, and it's locked. Now, if you look here, got a lock icon. This is like an oven door. I think it's supposed to be with a lock on it. It's telling me this door is locked, and we just confirmed that. Now let's look at this control panel. We got another 3-second one here. Check out my other video, how to change the clock using this. 3 seconds. Let's hold this down. It's got a lock on it. Let's see what happens. Okay. The lock icon went away. This is flashing. I'm going to give this a few moments, just a few seconds, before I try to open the door, okay? All right. I was able to open the door. Icon is still flashing, and now it's gone. All right, so let's talk about what happened here. If you hold this down for 3 seconds, you'll be able to lock the door. This is a child safety lock, all right? Now, once this door is locked here in a few moments, I'm going to show you what really goes on, how your oven is kind of deactivated, disabled. All right, so one, the door is locked, okay? I can't turn anything on. Hitting clear and off doesn't turn the lock off, all right? So this is locked for safety reasons, okay? You're gonna come over here like I just showed you. We push that in for 3 seconds. Goes off. We give it a moment here and the door will unlock, okay? All right, we're open. Now, another reason that this might be locked and you'll have difficulty opening it, self-clean, if you run the cleaning, all right, let's turn that off. It gets to a really high temperature and it's going to lock the oven for safety reasons. One being you don't want to hurt anybody or burn yourself or open it up while it's doing the process. And two, opening up a really hot oven will definitely set off all your smoke alarms. Another reason this will happen is if you're cooking something that's at a really high temp, it's going to lock this door again until it cools off, all right? So those are the reasons it might be locked, and that's how you disable it. All right, so I hope that tutorial helps you. If your Samsung SmartThings oven door is locked, just look for that icon, hold it down for 3 seconds. You'll be able to unlock the door in a moment. Also, remember that's going to happen is if you just clean the oven or if you just baked something or broiled something at a really high temperature and that oven is still really hot, it's going to remain locked, okay? If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Hope this tutorial helps you guys out. Be kind to each other out there. Talk to you later. Peace.